Chirping birds. Chirping birds in early morning. Chatter, chirp, chirp, chant. Coo, coo, cock, gobble. Many more to hear. Many more to hear. Wake up, you dear. Wake up, you dear. Every rhythm is great to hear. Every rhythm is great to hear. Every music is great to hear. Every music is great to hear. Chirping works in early morning to evening, playing in its own ways, playing in its own ways. An alarm for awakening, an alarm for awakening. A wake up call for sleeper, a wake up call for sleeper. Chirping words in chilling weather, chirping words in chilling weather. Is more to cheer, is more to cheer. Chirping words at every nature site is finding peace in visitors on life, singing in chorus, dancing at every life phases, is joy for host, finding life for lost. Chirping words has message for you. Chirping words has message for you. Wake up, you dear. Wake up, you dear. Go and find life. Go and find life. Touch the inseparable realities. Touch the inseparable realities. Thank you for watching.